Right, so it's a bit opportunistic, this one, and it's a bit of a different video in comparison to our normal videos. But last week we were shooting our Urban Pro video and Handroid Mark IV video, and Rick was doing some massive burnouts on my bike. And you know, that being said, the tyres are absolutely knackered and I need a new one. So it's a little bit opportunistic. I asked Rick, how do you do them? It doesn't look that difficult. He said, it's not that hard, you know, you just need to have a shot. So I had a little go at the track, but it was a bit wet. Today's dry and I'm going to give it a go. Basically, I'm a total beginner, and that's sort of you know, where I'm starting at really. So normally when you watch this type of video, like how to do a standing burnout, you'll see people who are really, really good and they've done it like a million times, all the journos and stuff like that. Today you're going to see me go from beginner to hopefully a semi-winner. So standing burnout, watch this space, let's see if I can do it. Got one, a little one. Okay, and again. More revs, let's do it. Okay, it's a bit slippy actually this. It's more slippy than what I thought it was going to be. But let's give it another go. Yeah, I think that one was better, right? That was good. It's just wanting to turn. It's hard. It's really hard keeping it straight. Let's give it a go. Oh! Stalled it. Whoa! Yeah, that one was better. Let's give it another shot. I think actually this ground is quite slippy. It's quite loose, but let's try it again. Whoa, front went. Front wheel just went then. Did you see it? Let's try it again. Yeah, last go, last one. that'll do, I think. So, that was my first attempt at a stood-up burnout. Obviously it's not going to be perfect, it's like the first time I've done it. And I'm sure there'll be people like commenting and sort of say, yeah, that was rubbish, you didn't do this right, you didn't do the other right. But you know what, actually it's probably not that difficult, in fairness. What you've got to really be careful of is putting enough front brake on and leaning far forward enough. Actually, the bike wants to sort of wiggle about a little bit as well, so the biggest risk is the front wheel washing out, and that's what Rick said as well. So make sure that you're on a decent surface, that your tyres are relatively warm, and you're putting enough weight on the front wheel, and other than that it should be fairly straightforward. Look, so I hope you've enjoyed this little one, and yeah, look forward to seeing your comments in the description, in the comment section. Please like, please subscribe, and look forward to seeing you on the next video. It's not every time you're going to run out of tyres, is it, and have the opportunity to do this, so until next year, I'm sure.